Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with all of you who are still running the small business server operating system, and I know you're out there. It's really time to start looking at making a change. We've had a great run with that SBS server where you were able to not only run your data, but also exchange email, all built into that one operating system. There have been a lot of changes by Microsoft over the years, and now the Exchange emails run as a separate server. So as you plan to come off of the small business server arrangement, there are a couple of things that you can consider. I have three options for you. One would be to look at virtualization. It's really come a long way. It's software that is set up on basically a box that's referred to as the host. You install drives and memory and all the things you need. You install the virtualization software and you can spin up your data server and the Exchange email server, and it would all be on that one box. So that's one option for you. Another one would be to take the Exchange portion and move it to a hosted Exchange email solution. There are several options. We actually offer that as well, where all of the Exchange email is in the cloud, you access it remotely, and you don't need to set up that separate server. The third option would be that you take a look at maybe private hosting for the server for your data and the email exchange, where all of it's done in the cloud. You log in remotely. You do not purchase additional hardware and put that on your premise in your office. You pay a flat monthly fee. It covers use of the operating system and the equipment and the drives and everything that you need. All that's rolled up into one package. And of course, it would cover maintenance and backups as well. That way, all of that's covered and you don't have any upfront capital purchase. So those would be three ways to attack this problem. Either way, if you have one of these small business servers, and I know you've loved it over the years, it's really time to get serious about replacing that. And this would be three different directions you could go. You need any help working through these three to see which ones might be a better fit for your organization? Give us a call. We'll be happy to help. For now, have a great rest of your week.